Amigos, this is how I made the pineapple curry. It's easy, it's simple, and the most important, actually I'm gonna try it. That's the most important part. Amigos, welcome. My name is Ulysses Cruz, and today's video we're gonna make the curry pineapple. Curry pineapple or pineapple curry? Anyway, you can call it whatever you want. And basically, I'm going to cook some white rice. I mean jasmine rice, and marinate my pineapple with a little bit of tofu. So basically, I'm going to do that. While my rice is cooking, I'm gonna saute my veggies. Cooking my veggies, and that's it. I'm gonna serve it. You're gonna love it for sure, and I promise that you won't regret it. Don't skip the video, please, and appreciate before start if you really hit like on this video or subscribe. And let's make a deal. If you really find something or if you learn something at the end of this video, something for me, I appreciate if you share this video with someone else. Please just help someone else. For sure you can do it. Amigos, let's do it. Let's do it. So then, amigos, first thing here, I'm going to cook my rice. I'm gonna cook my rice. So if you really notice, I really wash my grains. Look at this, it's too white. This is the jasmine rice. So basically I'm going to cook 1 cup and a quarter. So, and I'm gonna use of water, or if you want you can use vegetable broth, a double size. I mean 2.5 cups of water or vegetable broth. Una copa, media copa, and 2 cups. So for 20 minutes. So bring to the heat. So I'm going to cook plain, I mean simple, without any kind of flavor. But I repeat one more time, if you want you can cook with a little bit of vegetable. Bro. What's up, bro? So that's it. Basically when it's cooking or is boiling, I'm going to reduce cooking for 20 minutes. Once it's done, the water is gone, just I'm going to leave it covered anyway. So actually once it's boiling, I'm going to reduce and cover. Once the water is gone, is done, is no water, I'm gonna turn off and let it sit by a couple more minutes and should be ready. For another side, we're going to marinate our pineapple. If you really notice, I have a little bit of pieces of pineapple right here. So then, amigos, I have something like 1 cup of pineapple right here. And also I'm gonna use the same portion with tofu. Yes, almost try to cut as the same size as your pineapple. I mean, you can cut it on the small pieces if you want. Look at this beauty. Wow, Ulysses, you are the best. Da-da-dee, da-da-da. Da-da-dee, da-da-da. So amigos, if you really notice, I have the same portion about pineapple and tofu. Yes, same portion, something like 1 cup and 1 cup. I mean, this recipe is for 2 people. So let's start with 1/2 teaspoon of curry powder. Yes. 1/2 teaspoon of curry powder. And also 1/2 teaspoon with, I mean, no. Actually, this is the curry powder. What I put it? Turmeric. Yes, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric and 1/2 teaspoon of curry powder. So then half and half, curry and turmeric. So chili powder or cayenne, just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. It's something like 1/8. This is a quarter, but I use almost half of this. Pinch of salt and marinate it and toast it. Toast it, toast it, toast it, toast it, toast it. Wow, it smells good. Oh no, that's not good. That's good. Amigo, just make sure marinate it. Just marinate it until everything is coated. I mean, just make sure that everything is covered. Look at this beauty. I'm gonna show you close. Close. So amigos, once it's really everything marinated, just put aside. And it's time to saute or cook our veggies. Amigos, something important, a little bit of salt. And also, while you're cooking your rice, make sure just give a quick stir. Just a little bit or quickly. Yeah, amigos, once you see it's boiling, just reduce the heat. Or bring to simmer. Cover. And let it simmer for 20 minutes. Oh, amigos, right now it's time to saute our veggies. So, or cook our veggies, so whatever. So what I'm going to do, basically, just 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 saucepan. Okay, my rice is ready. Da-da-dee. Da-da-da. Una, dos. Yeah, something like 2 tablespoons, no more than 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. So be careful, don't overheat it, otherwise it's going to be a smoke jar. Or kitchen, I mean. So while it's getting hot, I'm going to chop my garlic and also try to make sure that you chop your onions. Oh no, look at this. Okay, I already feel it hot. So I'm gonna add a little bit of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of mustard seeds. So then I'm going to fry my mustard seeds just a little bit, couple minutes. Okay, let's go faster. Let's go faster. Okay, I really like this sound. Oh no, right now. Okay, amigos, a quarter cup of onions. Quarter cup of onions. Just give it a little bit of color. Pinch of salt. Okay, then, amigos, or garlic, 1 garlic clove. Just make sure don't burn it like me. Okay, 1 garlic clove. A little bit of fresh ginger. Just saute a little bit, couple seconds. And add 1 bell pepper. 1 bell pepper. Just I'm using different kind of colors, but basically it's the size of 1 bell pepper. Just saute. 1 green chili. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. So amigos, just we're gonna saute a little bit, just until you cook a little bit, couple of minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, your bell pepper. Also, just remember, I'm using just one bell pepper. Try to use, I mean, I have different kind of color for look at more vibrant or give a little extra colorful my dish. But basically, it's not a big deal if you're using just one bell pepper. Look at this. And right now it's time to add my tofu and pineapple. Look at this, how it looks. I'm gonna show you. I know, looks pretty. Amigos, a little bit of salt and a little bit of cinnamon. Oh no. Yes. Fresh enough. It's not really fresh, it's getting old. Alright, everything looks good. Amigos, 2 cups of coconut milk. Any kind of coconut. It's not necessary get it from this brand, you know. Just mix all together very well and let it simmer for a couple minutes. So then amigos, it's time to plate it. So that dinner is ready. Look at this beauty rice. Wow. I can't believe that I can make this one. Wow. Okay, pineapple, peppers, tofu, onions, chili, coconut, oil, coconut, meal, mustard, seed, and salt, pinch of love, you know. So amigos, then there is how to make one pineapple curry. It's very simple. I made a pineapple curry. Also, I'm gonna decorate with this. Actually, do you know if this is edible? Amigos, this is how I made the pineapple curry. It's easy, it's simple, and the most important. Actually, I'm gonna try it. That's the most important part. That's the most important part. Okay, a little bit of rice, a little bit of pineapple, and okay, it's not spicy, but it's good. If you don't really like the spicy, it's good for you. But if you're the person that loves spicy, no, it's perfect. So amigos, this is all for this video. If you really learned something from me, I appreciate if you hit like on this video. If you really learned something, or even tell me in the comments what would you like to see on the next videos. Please tell me something, say something. Actually, tell me if this is edible. I mean, I stole from my neighbor. So amigos, is that all for today? So I hope you enjoyed this video and see you soon. Peace and love. Love your curry pineapple. No, pineapple curry, curry pineapple. Pineapple curry, curry pineapple. Oops. I don't know what's the name. Actually call it Le Beautiful. No. This is cilantro.